Before we begin, think about this. Everything you have ever seen, every person, every ocean, every mountain, every star, all of it exists inside something.
And if you want to understand space in a simple, clear way, without getting lost in complicated explanations, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel, we explore the universe in a way anyone can understand.
Now let's ask the biggest question of all. What is the universe? At its simplest, the universe is everything that exists. All space, all time, all matter, all energy. Everything.
But even that definition feels incomplete, because the universe is not just everything. It's everything, everywhere, all at once. And trying to truly understand that is one of the hardest things the human mind can do. Let's start with something simple. Right now, you are sitting on a planet. That planet is orbiting a star. That star is one of hundreds of billions in a galaxy. That galaxy is one of hundreds of billions in the observable universe. And all of that exists inside the universe. Now here's where things start to get strange. The universe has a beginning. About 13.8 billion years ago, everything we know was compressed into an incredibly small, hot, dense state. Then, in an event we call the Big Bang, the universe began to expand. Not an explosion in space, but an expansion of space itself, everywhere, all at once. In the very first moments, the universe was unimaginably hot. There were no atoms, no stars, no galaxies, just pure energy. As the universe expanded, it cooled. Particles began to form. Then atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. Over time, gravity pulled these atoms together. Stars formed, galaxies formed, and eventually, planets like Earth formed. Everything you see today came from that beginning. Now, here's something that might sound impossible. The universe is still expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other. The farther away they are, the faster they appear to be moving. It's like space itself is stretching. Imagine dots drawn on a balloon. As you inflate the balloon, the dots move away from each other. That's similar to what's happening in the universe. But here's the twist. The expansion is speeding up. Something is causing the universe to expand faster and faster over time. We don't fully understand what it is, but we call it dark energy.
Just like dark matter, we can't see it directly, but we know it's there, and it makes up most of the universe.
In fact, everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. So most of the universe is invisible and still mysterious. Now, let's talk about size. How big is the universe? The honest answer is we don't know. We can only observe a portion of it. This is called the observable universe. It's the part of the universe from which light has had time to reach us since the beginning, and even that is enormous. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. 93 billion. And that's just the part we can see. Beyond that, there may be much more. Possibly infinitely more. We simply don't know. Now, let's think about time. The universe has a history, a timeline from the Big Bang to the formation of stars to the present day, and we can study that history. By looking deeper into space, we are looking further back in time. Some of the light we see today has been traveling for billions of years, which means we are seeing ancient galaxies as they were long ago. We are watching the universe in its past. Now, let's go even deeper. What is the universe made of? Everything around you is made of atoms. Atoms are made of particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons. These particles interact through forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces. These simple building blocks create everything from stars to galaxies to life itself. But the universe is not just matter. It's also space and time. And according to modern physics, space and time are connected. They form something called space-time. Massive objects like stars and black holes can bend space-time. This bending is what we experience as gravity. So, gravity is not just a force pulling things together. It's the shape of space-time itself. Now here's a question people often ask. Does the universe have an edge? Is there a boundary, a place where it ends? We don't know for sure, but current evidence suggests that the universe may not have an edge in the way we imagine. It might be finite, but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. You can travel across it forever, without ever finding an edge. Or it might be infinite, stretching on forever. Now let's consider something even more mind-bending. Are there other universes?
Some theories suggest that our universe might be just one of many, a multiverse. Each universe could have different laws of physics, different conditions, different possibilities.
This idea is still highly theoretical, but it shows just how far our curiosity has taken us. Now let's bring it back to something simple. You are part of the universe, not separate from it. Everything in your body was formed from atoms created in stars. The energy that powers you comes from processes that began billions of years ago. You are connected to the universe in a very real way. You are not just in the universe. You are the universe, experiencing itself. And that might be the most incredible idea of all. So when you look up at the night sky, you're not just looking at something distant. You're looking at your origins, your history, your place in something vast beyond imagination. If you want to keep exploring the universe in a simple and fascinating way, make sure to subscribe and like the video, because in the next episode, we're going to explore one of the most mysterious forces shaping everything we've talked about. What is gravity? The invisible force that holds the universe together. So subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next journey through space.